at your teeth. Come down and play. Can I see your boat? Come on, come on. Hello, welcome to a Bright Shadows DIY. My name's Ashley, and before we start anything, if you could please connect with me, like, subscribe if you like my DIY of my Female Pennywise. But as you can see, I love Halloween, and I decided this year I'm gonna be something scary. So I saw the new version of It, and I really loved what they did with the movie. His makeup is just kind of so creepy, and his mannerisms. Don't get me wrong, the 90s version kind of holds a terrifying place in my heart, especially all the psychological aspects that they were missing in the new one. But this isn't a movie review. You guys probably don't really care about that. So let's get to how I use Value Village and pillowcases and kind of Pom Poms to upcycle / make my own new DIY Pennywise. Smash of stuff. Super ugly Value Village shirt, pillowcases, some random lace, and we'll see what I can make with it. So this is my terribly large, hideous Value Village shirt that I'm going to cut apart to make into my Pennywise costume.
Now that the sleeves and neck is cut off, I cut off the back straight through where the armpits are and then started braiding it to make razorback strap. First, I wore it and pinned it close to my body like a tailor would. Now I'm just pinning it, and I'm going to sew along either side to make it actually fit me. So I cuffed the arms so I can put an elastic through to make it poofy. So from the pillowcase, I'm going to cut it down either side so there's a really long, wide strip. Then I'm going to make an elastic skirt. So what I did is I'm bunching up just freehand the bottom so that it's more poofy.
Using lace and extra fabric, at least 3 layers, I gathered the layers together and sewed them into a necklace tied with a ribbon. When everything was done, I glued 3 pom-poms onto the front and used extra fabric to make a belt.
So thank you for watching. I hope you have a fabulous and spooky Halloween. And please connect with me, give me a comment, like, subscribe, and I would love to see your other scary clowns out there.